Barbara, the Attorney-General has been speaking. What do we know?
That's right. It's the first time we've heard from Attorney-General Merrick Garland since that search warrant was executed. He's been facing calls to come out and talk more publicly about what happened and why. He gave a brief statement to the media today, and he announced that news that the Department of Justice has filed a motion with a court in Florida, and it's asking for the search warrant itself to be unsealed. So for the text of that search warrant to be made public, as well as the receipt handed to Donald Trump's lawyers at Mar-a-Lago for the property that was taken as a result of that search. He said he was doing that for a few reasons, because Donald Trump had himself confirmed that this search had taken place, because also of the surrounding circumstances, and because of the significant public interest in the case. And Merrick Garland also confirming that the decision to ask for a search warrant had come directly from him.
Federal law, long-standing department rules, and our ethical obligations prevent me from providing further details as to the basis of the search at this time. There are, however, certain points I want you to know. First, I personally approved the decision to seek a search warrant in this matter. Second, the department does not take such a decision lightly. Where possible, it is standard practice to seek less intrusive means as an alternative to a search and to narrowly scope any search that is undertaken.
So, Barbara, what happens now?
Well, we understand that Donald Trump's team have until tomorrow to let the Department of Justice know whether or not they object to the unsealing. So we'll have to wait until tomorrow to try and find that out. Of course, at any point, Donald Trump could himself make that search warrant or the property receipt public, since he's had it all the time. In the meantime, Trump's very active on his social media platform, again just enraged about the search itself, saying that he was cooperating, that the government could have had anything they wanted, that they even broke open a lock on a space that they had asked him to put a lock on. And he's saying he's found out that Melania's closets were gone through, that her drawers there was rummaging through that, and that the FBI agents had made a real mess. So what we're getting so far from Donald Trump is just anger still about the search itself. What we're now waiting for is a decision on whether he will try and oppose, which would be an extraordinary move, really, but it's Donald Trump, so we don't know whether he might oppose this motion to make public the search warrant and the property receipt. I'll just say that property receipt, if it's unsealed, will be redacted. That means that we won't get juicy details of exactly what these classified documents might be. We assume that any receipt might say something like documents or a file, but not, of course, given the classified nature of them, not spell out exactly what was in them.
Thank you, Barbara Miller there in Washington.